Hi everyone, here's a tool that I think will be a useful addition to your charts. It's called the Chart Element tool. So I'm going to select it from my toolbox, type element, and by default, I'm just going to click on the chart there. It's going to put the ticker symbol of the chart that's on the screen. So that's BHP. It's a little small, so I'm going to right click and go to the properties to change the font size. And as we scroll down the watch list on the left, that is going to update to the relevant chart. Now the thing about this tool is it can be set to any number of different values. So by default it's the code. So if we click on the field property, we can add all of this, even script values, and if you have the fundamental data, we can put on sector name. So this is CBA, so that's finance. If we go down to NCM, that'll update to non-energy minerals, so on and so forth. Now what I've also done is created a toolbar folder called elements. So I've added all these elements as a separate button and dragged it into a folder. Go to the help site and search toolbar, custom toolbar. You'll learn how to do that. So let's say, for example, I want to put the name on the chart. I want to put the time frame of the chart that I'm looking at to make it easily identifiable, and also let's put a script value. So I've got a script for that calculates the year-to-date percentage. So as we scroll down the watch list, all that will update as we go. So we can see that Rio is down 9% for the year, and on the bottom I've got a relative strength measure against the XJO, and it's actually, since the beginning of the year, it's down 9%, but relative to the ASX 200 index, it's up 10%. So anyway, chart element, please give it a go, and if you have any questions, please let us know. Thanks very much.